Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to make your birthday visible to everyone on the X app. Whether you want to share your special day with friends or let the world celebrate with you, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon and tap it to launch. Once inside, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Edit Profile. This will take you to the section where you can modify your profile details. Now, find and tap on the Date of Birth section. Here, you'll be able to adjust who can see your birthday information. Under Who Can See This, tap on Month and Day. From the options provided, select Public to ensure that everyone can see your birthday's month and day. After that, tap on Year and again select Public so that your birth year is visible as well. Once you've made these changes, tap Continue and Save to finalize your settings. Congratulations! Your birthday is now visible to everyone on X. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you, be sure to share it with others who might want to update their profile too. Celebrate your special day with the world.